Alright guys, check this out, the Corsair K65 Pro Mini. This little guy is a 65% keyboard, which means it's compact, perfect for smaller setups, or if you just like having more mouse space. Don't let the size fool you though, it still has all the essential keys, including those all-important arrow keys. Corsair cleverly uses secondary functions, so you don't lose any functionality. Now, the star of the show here is the Corsair OPX optical mechanical switches. These things are fast. We're talking laser fast, super responsive, and smooth. They feel incredible to type on and are rated for a whopping 150 million keystrokes. So, this keyboard is built to last. Seriously, you could probably hand this down to your kids. And speaking of speed, this keyboard uses something called Axon hyperprocessing technology. Basically, it sends your inputs to your game up to 8 times faster than standard keyboards. 8 times? That's insane. It also allows for up to 20 layers of RGB lighting, which is, well, a lot. You can go crazy with the customization here. But let's talk about the typing experience. I know some people are sensitive to keyboard noise, and Corsair has addressed that here. They've included 2 layers of sound dampening, which makes the typing experience surprisingly quiet and satisfying. It's not completely silent, but it's a noticeable improvement. The keycaps are PBT double shot, which means they're durable and the legends won't fade. They feel really nice under your fingers. And of course, it wouldn't be a Corsair keyboard without RGB. You can customize everything through the ICUE software. The K65 Pro Mini connects via a detachable USB Type-C cable, which is always a plus. It also comes with a cool radiant spacebar for some extra flair. So, who is this keyboard for? I'd say it's perfect for gamers who want a compact, high-performance keyboard with a premium feel. It's also great for anyone who appreciates a good typing experience. The OPX switches are truly a game changer. Is it perfect? Well, the 65% layout might not be for everyone. If you absolutely need a dedicated number pad or function row, you might want to look elsewhere. And it does come at a premium price. But if you're looking for a top-tier 65% keyboard, the Corsair K65 Pro Mini is definitely worth considering. It's fast, responsive, well-built, and looks fantastic. It's a serious contender for one of the best 65% keyboards out there.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.